it's time to start my risotto. In Italy, they say that there's as many types of pancetta as there are valleys and mountains. This looks like mountain pancetta. This must be one of my favorite things to cook just for the smell aroma alone. Don't throw this away. You're gonna need that pancetta fat later. I love my chef kit preps. Cold cube butter, done. Next, gnocchi mushrooms for my yummy, crispy garnish.
Ooh, you fancy.
Girl, you got it.
Ooh, you fancy.
Girl, you got it.
So what makes this a risotto carbonara? Egg yolks and cheese. This is pecorino cheese. It's sharp and tangy. Want to grate some in my mouth. Whew. Do a little stretch, shake it out, and then get back to work. It's like the whole butter thing. Too much cheese is never too much. But this is just enough.
Ooh, you fancy.
Little treat for me for that. You know what?
Girl, you got it.
Just a little bit more.
Ooh, you fancy.
Oh yeah, this is exactly what I'm looking for. We're not making an omelet, we're making a risotto carbonara. Chives for the color and the flavor. That's it. That's the garnishes for my risotto. Up next, risotto. Starting with heating up my chicken stock. Remember this pan? All those brown bits are full of flavor. Perfect for starting my risotto. Mise en place to the rescue. Shallots and garlic ready to go in. I love that sizzling sound. Making sure to pick up all those yummy brown bits. Carnaroli rice. This is perfect for my risotto. It releases starch, but retains its shape. I think my rice is ready to get drunk. A little vino bianco. Chicken stock stir, chicken stock stir. Perfect time to ask somebody to help you. Top up the wine. It's always more fun when you have someone to help. This is looking great. Taking the time to do it à la minute makes it special and that much better. Time for my fried gnocchi garnish. And wait till you see what I do with these to make them nice and crispy and golden brown. First, a quick dust in cornstarch, seasoned. Then, a quick dip in hot oil. And out they come. Such a cool garnish. Hit them with salt right when they come out of the fryer. Yeah, this is a bit of a dance, but you got this. Time management and lots of fun. Quite frankly, it's also really rewarding. Look at that. Come on. Look at how creamy this is. I just want to eat it all. Butter makes everything better. Now, my tangy, creamy pecorino mix. This is where you want to work fast and get it all incorporated because I don't want a scrambled egg. Look at that creamy richness. And now my crispy pancetta bits, they'll cut right through the richness, saving some for garnish. Guys, this is so cool. It's rich, it's creamy, it's everything I ever wanted. Seriously, it's emotionally delicious. Oh my God. Can you imagine your friends' faces when you drop this bowl in front of them? Ugh.